In this video, I'll show you how you can add money to your Webull account. Now, if you head over to the help center, there will be a question that says, how do I deposit funds into my account? Now you can see here that if you follow these steps, you'll be able to do it. So tap the logo at the bottom of your screen, and this needs to be on the app. So you can only deposit and withdraw using the Webull app. Now I believe there's a desktop app for it. I'm not entirely sure, but you should definitely use the mobile app. Then you want to click on transfers, tap deposit, and then you can choose which method you want to use. So these are the three methods. And once you've done that, select the currency you want to do it in and select how much you want to deposit, and then simply follow the short steps and you will have deposit your money. So that is how it works. And now for withdrawal, it's exactly the same, just instead of deposit, you want to click on withdrawal. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.